just to touch you. Even when I know you lie, won't even approach you. 'Cause I love you.
I wasn't playing no games, y'all. Look how cute she looks. This time I didn't add any sugar or oh my gosh, I hate when I lip gloss with that. I didn't add any sugar or the caramel shot stuff. I'm trying to do like a sugar-free type of thing too, so I'm trying not to eat so much sugar either because I need some of this puffiness in my face and I don't like it. So yeah, I'm gonna drink this. I just got home from work. I'm gonna drink this, watch TV for a while, and then I'm gonna get ready to cook. I'm so excited because I have a new recipe that I'm gonna make. It's not really a crazy recipe, but it's just like ground beef with avocado and sweet potatoes that I've been seeing all over TikTok, and it's like really good in protein and it like keeps you full and everything. It's like better, like healthier and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how I make that, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip. This is literally the snack I'm having right now. Some chips. These are the honey Dijon chips. They're like a healthy version of potato chips. I forgot what brand it is. And then my matcha. And then I'm gonna start cooking it a little bit. It's already 4:26. I want to cook at least by like 5:30. I feel like that's not too late. So this is how it came out. It looks so good. I haven't tasted it yet. I also got this Greek yogurt, and I've seen somebody like put some Greek yogurt on top of it, so we're gonna try it. Don't mind the mess because the mess everywhere. And then I also got me the strawberry vanilla Olipop soda to go with it. Literally, I made a whole mess, like this avocado everywhere, this, but yeah, but let's try it. Okay, we're gonna take the first bite without the thingy first, and let's see how it tastes. Okay. This is good. I want to try it with the yogurt, but I'm scared. I'm gonna do like a little bit because I never did Greek yogurt on my food, like ever. I didn't know that was even a thing. I guess it's like opposed to sour cream. We're gonna see. Let's see. Hey. Not bad, but I don't really like the yogurt on top of it because I'm not a plain Greek yogurt girl, but it is really good without it. But you might like it with it. Look who's ready to go outside. Blue, 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 blue. Y'all, these steps have so much salt on it. Just how much snow it's been outside. Like the steps, I mean, this salt is literally staying on the steps. Like it's crazy. Guess what? Welcome to more snow. I'm over the snow. It keeps snowing. Like I'm over it and it's sticky, bro. Like I'm not a kid anymore. I don't want it to snow anymore. I don't like this. Like this is crazy. All this snow. Look at Boo just marking his territory. This is too much snow. Like I'm over it. I want to. It's so freaking windy. Look at my car. I'm glad I didn't get a car wash because I was going to get a car wash yesterday. But I was being lazy. I said, oh, I'll wait till tomorrow. Good thing I didn't do it because I would have been pissed that I'm over it. And look how deep it is. Like, it's a good amount. I'm over this snow. Like, it's been snowing all freaking month almost. Like, I used to love the snow, but now I don't like it at all. So yeah, let's go back upstairs. I just want to walk blue. I don't like to walk him really far. Lately I haven't walked him so far because it's been cold outside and his paws, it's been hurting his paws, so I don't walk him so much. But yeah, I'm so mad because like it's snowing. It's snowing. Do y'all like my nails? I got some press on nails. Gotta keep your nails done at all times. Oh, I don't think I ever showed y'all my cute little what is these called? Cartier earrings that I got from the yellow app, DH8, period. Bougie on a budget, okay. All right, let's go back upstairs.
Grandma,
That's too damn bad.
I'm tired, Grandpa.
That's too damn bad. Yeah, you better see it.
Mine. I'm tired, Grandma.
That's too damn bad, Grandpa.
Wait, that is he just said.
I'm actually talking about me, not how to do this. Oh, boy, thank you. Oh, y'all, I got my Shein outfit for my birthday. So my birthday is next week on the 18th.
Next week.
Aquarius baby, period. My bag, well, just a bag that I'm wearing. But it's so cute. I got it from Shein. I had to put some freaking bags, some paper and stuff in it, because it was all like shriveled up and wrinkly and all this crap. So I had to put some paper in it for it to get shape. But it's so freaking tea. It's cute. Y'all gonna see the outfit for like my birthday when it comes and stuff. Y'all see like the vlog of what I'm wearing, but the outfit is so cute. I put together. It's so cute. So excited. Yeah.
I would fight 1,000 times just to touch you. Even when I know you lie, I won't even touch you. 'Cause I love you. You would be right all the time if it was up to me. We could have fought all night long. Then you had your clothes on. I'd rather be wrong than to be wrong. Yeah, you know it's not fair. It's not fair.
So I just got an order from Aldi. So I got these because I'm gonna make this sweet potato brownies that I've been seeing on TikTok. Y'all know I've been going crazy right now. So I'm gonna do that in the next video. I was making you need like some cocoa, baking cocoa, sweet potatoes, and then the chocolate chip. And then, oh, you scared the shit out of me. I like filled your present. And then you need maple syrup, but I'm gonna do that in the next video. So y'all see that. So yeah, stay tuned for that.